Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make cupcake toppers in Canva. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Canva and search for cupcake toppers, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply press enter, and as you can see here you have different templates that you can use. So you're gonna have to simply click on any of these, and then basically you're gonna be able to start editing them. Now if you click on it, as you can see, you're gonna have more like this, and basically you can start selecting the objects in this template, and if you want you can simply add your own text. You can upload files, so if you want you can upload your own logo and images. You can add text, and basically after you finish simply click on share and then click on download, and that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.